Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your lawn care both efficient and eco-friendly, the American Lawn Mower Company 1815 to 1818-inch push reel mower. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this mower is all about. The American Lawn Mower 1815 to 18 is a hand-pushed reel lawn mower designed to offer a clean, precise cut to your grass without the noise and emissions associated with gas-powered mowers. With its 18-inch cutting width and 5 sharp blades, it's an excellent option for homeowners looking for a reliable and sustainable way to maintain their lawns. One of the standout features of this mower is its self-propelled design, which makes it easy to maneuver even on uneven terrain. The blades are made from heat-treated alloy steel, ensuring that they are not only durable but also stay sharper for longer periods. This means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your beautifully manicured lawn. The scissor-cut action of the blades is another impressive aspect. Unlike rotary mowers that tear the grass, this reel mower uses a precise cutting mechanism that results in a cleaner cut. This method not only enhances the aesthetic of your lawn but also promotes healthier grass growth, making it an ideal choice for those who take pride in their green spaces. So, who is this mower suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys gardening or landscaping and prefers an environmentally friendly approach to lawn maintenance, this mower is perfect for you. It's particularly well suited for small to medium-sized lawns, as the 18-inch cutting width strikes a good balance between maneuverability and efficiency. Additionally, if you're looking for a quieter alternative to traditional gas mowers, this model is an excellent choice. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. If you have a small suburban yard or a garden that requires regular upkeep, the American Lawn Mower 1815 to 18 will serve you well. It's also a great option for homeowners who wish to engage in lightweight exercise while tending to their lawns. Pushing a reel mower can actually be quite the workout, allowing you to enjoy the outdoors and stay active at the same time. Moreover, since this mower operates without gasoline or electricity, it's a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint. It's perfect for those who are environmentally conscious and want to contribute positively to the planet. You won't have to worry about fuel spills or noise complaints from your neighbors. Instead, you can take pride in knowing you're using a sustainable product. In terms of assembly and maintenance, the American Lawn Mower 1815 to 18 is straightforward to put together and requires minimal upkeep. Just a little bit of occasional sharpening will keep those blades in top condition. The lightweight design makes it easy to store as well, whether in a shed, garage, or even a corner of your garden. In summary, the American Lawn Mower Company 1815 to 18 is an excellent investment for anyone seeking an efficient, environmentally friendly, and easy-to-use lawnmower. With its durable construction, scissor-cut action, and self-propelled design, it's a reliable choice for maintaining your lawn while promoting healthier grass growth. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.